want some sauce?
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
What's up everybody, how's it going out there? In this I'm going to be making the ultimate pastrami sandwich. Now what we have here before us is some whole wheat rolls that I had made from scratch. And if you want to see how I go about making these, I'll put a link in the description. But my wife likes whole wheat, and so I ended up getting some whole wheat that was stone ground to kind of give you a little bit more of that rustic bread flavor, okay? So what I've got here is some pastrami that I got from the deli. I didn't buy any deli meats that have already been pre-cut and stuff like that. This is like you go there and you say, yeah, give me so many pounds of whatever pastrami. And maybe in a future video I'll end up doing a video on how to make homemade pastrami. But this is what we're going to be using. And I'm also going to be using some Swiss cheese, even though this is kind of getting almost into a Reuben sandwich. Now what I'm going to do is, before this goes into the oven, I'm going to actually take the Swiss cheese and put it on the base here. This has been in the oven just for a little bit already, just to kind of toast it just a little bit. But so that's how I've got this. It goes back under the broiler. It was only in there for a minute or two, just to kind of slightly toast it at first, okay? The pastrami that I have here, I'm going to warm it up. You can put it in the oven, or you can go ahead and just throw it in a frying pan. I'm going to throw this in a frying pan. Now I'm not trying to cook the living hell out of it. I'm just trying to warm it up. Even though you might be tempted to microwave it, don't. So this comes out of the oven. You can see that the top has been toasted nicely. And all I've done is just warmed up the pastrami. That's it, okay? On the top I'm going to be putting my honey mustard. Now if you want to end it right there you can, but I'm going to be putting a little bit of white onion. And this tastes a little sweet. This is not yellow onion, okay? This is the white onion that I used in my EG's video, okay? And generally you won't really see this on a pastrami sandwich. Generally you won't. But I think a little sweet onion would go well with this. Back here you might not see what I'm doing, but I've got some iceberg lettuce. And I'm going to be cutting this up into small strips. Once again, something that is not too traditional. It's lettuce on a pastrami sandwich, but if you don't like lettuce, you don't have to put it. But as far as I'm concerned, guys, that's a wrap. There you go, guys. That's my ultimate pastrami sandwich. But, you know, if you want to add mayo, you can. You want to add some tomatoes, you can. In fact, I'm probably going to cut some tomatoes up because I know my wife likes them. There you go, guys. That's my pastrami sandwich. Lots of different ways to make it. Probably do another video pretty soon on making a Reuben sandwich. But it smells great in here. I wish I could eat that, but it's for my wife. So anyway, guys, until next time, talk to you later.